Hello. Today we are going to discuss about creating affiliate marketing for your Shopify store or how to add affiliate marketing for your Shopify store. Affiliate marketing will help you to increase the sales by reference. That means like if you are having affiliate marketing in your for your Shopify store, you can ask your friend to refer their friends to your website and earn commission on each sale. I'm going to teach you how to do that in Shopify. For that, I'm going to use a Shopify app and let's check the tutorial. Now I'm in Shopify App Store and I'm going to search for the app Big Scroll. Okay. Now I just click on the Big Scroll and Big Scroll Affiliate Marketing app. Okay. So I'm just clicking on Add App. This app is free to use and you don't need to pay anything for using this app. Okay, so this is 100% free app. So you can just install this app. I'm just using a test store for installing. So I just click on the install app. Okay, so once I finish installing, I can just configure the app. Okay, so I can just enter my levels of affiliate marketing. So I just need to like select the things. You can select it according to your knowledge, and you can just start doing these things. Okay, so now I'm here. I can just enter the information regarding my affiliate program. Okay, so I'm going to add the details. Okay. Okay, I'm going to select the commission type. I can either select the percentage or the per order or the fixed amount per item or anything. So I'm just going to give percentage sale. I'm going to offer 25% commission. Okay, and I can select the calculation of the commission. That means like I can select whether the calculation includes the discount or not, and I can also select the shipping details, tax details, and all the details. And I can also set the cookie time. That means the time period the system will track your affiliate link. That means if some of your affiliate, they send an affiliate link to their customers, and how long they need to track that affiliate link, okay, or the referral. So I'm just going to add this one as 360 days, which is the maximum, and I can just click on next and I'll be in the affiliate setup page. So this is the page which will be shown to the people who sign up for our affiliate program. Okay, so I can just enter the title like sign up, and I can enter the benefits like how much percent I need to show the percentage, what are the cookie time, and what's the percent of the image, or I can just remove them and add anything. It depends. And I can select the background color. Okay, and if I need to change the background color, the fields, and all the details, I can just do that. Okay, so you can design or you can just do the designing of your affiliate sign up page. And I just click on the next button. Here I can just enable the commission payment payout methods. That means like how I'm going to pay my affiliates. Okay, so I can just enable the PayPal, and if I need to what all details I can enable. Okay, these are the supported payouts for now. So you can just enable whichever is good for you. Okay, and you can even go for the stored credit. I'm just going to enable the PayPal, bank transfer, and the stored credit. Okay, and I just click on the next, and I can select the logo of my shop, which I'm just going to skip and finish. Now I'm done with the affiliate marketing app installation. Okay, so now I'll just do one thing. Let me close everything, and I need to add this page to my store. That means like if I'm going to my store, I cannot see anything regarding to the affiliate sign up. Okay, so I'm just going to copy this page, okay, which is the affiliate sign up page. I'm just going to copy this page, and I'm going to add this in the navigation. Okay, I'm going to add this in my footer. Okay, so I'm just going to footer menu, and you can see that I'm only having the search link for the search, so I'm just going to add it here. Okay, sign up and earn. Okay, I'm just going to add the name like that, and I'm going to paste this link. Okay, once I'm done, save. Okay, now let's refresh the page. Okay, you can see the sign up and earn link here. Okay, so this is the page which people will be using for signing up. Okay, and let's see the next things. Okay, so let's go to the user and see how the people can see the sign up and earn page. Okay, so just click on this, and I'll be taken to a page which is loaded from the Bricks Grow, and where people can sign up and register in the affiliate program. So I'm going to okay, and I'm going to add okay, I'm going to type the password. Okay, just submit. Okay, now it's done. Once I okay, now I'm done. I'm just waiting for the email to be confirmed. So now let's go back to the admin panel, affiliate list, so I can see the new sign up which I have just done now. Okay, so I can see the sign up country, and I can also see all the details, okay, which the affiliate for. Okay, now let's give him the access. Okay, I'm just going to approve him, so just click on this and approved. Okay, now this person can use his email address to log in and track the orders. Okay, so now let's go back to the website, the login part. Okay, so I'm just going to click on the sign up and earn, and here I'm going to sign in. I'm just going to enter the affiliate email and the password which I have created. Just click on sign in. Okay, then this is the affiliate dashboard. Okay, here the affiliates can see the program details, and they can see the transactions, they can see the payouts and all the resources. Okay, just click on the marketing resources, try with the ad channel, and all the informations can be seen from here. Okay, so the important part is like the default affiliate link. Okay, this is the default affiliate link, so I'm just going to copy this link, and this is the unique affiliate link for the affiliate marketing purpose. So I'm going to use this link and give this to my friends, or I'm just going to spread this over my social media for getting the traffic to the store. Okay, so let's try this also out. Okay, so if someone visits the link, they can see the products, and I'm going to try with purchasing. Okay, just click on this, add to cart, view detail, click on checkout. Okay, okay, so this happens at the customer end. That means if I'm sending one affiliate link to my friend, when he purchases, I'll be getting the commission for that. Okay, so let's check my dashboard again. See this, I can see the commission which is pending. That means like this is a total sale, and I'm getting the 25% of this order, which is 119.79. Okay, this is how it works. And again go back to the admin panel where I can see the details about the, okay, I can see the clicks, I can track the orders, I can track the revenue, I can see the commission which I need to pay them from my admin panel. It's having a lot of features, okay, so you can also go through them and try to add affiliate marketing program for your store and start building business for your store. Okay, this is one important and a famous Shopify marketing method, digital marketing method. Thanks for watching, and if you have any question, please let me know. And we also offer installation and configuration of this app, a paid service. Okay, you can contact us for getting this done. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.